O. Inaugurated the 2023 World Squash Championships that was held in India. A. K. N. Nehru. B. K. Pomudi. C. A.V. Velu. D. Udyanidhi Stalin. D. Udyanidhi Stalin. Who among the following is primarily regarded as a maestro of Hindustani classical music? A. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. B. Mavelikkara Prabhakara Verma. C. Sampagodu Vignaraja. D. Sai Vignesh. A. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. What is Mahavat in India? A. Cold waves during the winter season. B. Cloudburst during the monsoon season. C. Cyclonic rainfall during the winter season. D. Hot and dry winds during the summer season. C. Cyclonic rainfall during the winter season. Who among the following is the author of the book Selection Day? A. Vikram Seth. B. Arvind Adiga. C. Chetan Bhagat. D. Amish Tripathi. B. Arvind Adiga. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the organization of village panchayat? A. Article 38. B. Article 45. C. Article 40. D. Article 36. C. Article 40. Bharati Shivaji and Kanak Rale are exponents of A. Manipuri. B. Mohiniyattam. C. Kathak. D. Odissi. B. Mohiniyattam. Which is the most common array of oxidized mercury that occurs in granular crusts or veins associated with volcanic activity and hot springs? A. Diaspore. B. Siderite. C. Cinnabar. D. Corundum. C. Cinnabar. Women's World Boxing Championship 2023 was held in which city in India? A. Goa. B. Punjab. C. New Delhi. D. Gujarat. C. New Delhi. Who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? A. Annie Besant. B. Usha Mehta. C. Madam Kama. D. Kasturba Gandhi. C. Madam Kama. Which microscopic single-celled photosynthetic organisms are known as the primary producers of the ocean? The organisms that form the base of the aquatic food chains. A. Phytoplankton. B. Zooplankton. C. Bacterioplankton. D. Virioplankton. A. Phytoplankton. Which of the following novels is correctly paired with its author? A. The Shadow Lines, R.K. Narayan. B. Malgudi Days, Vikram Seth. C. The Namesake, Jhumpa Lahiri. D. Train to Pakistan, Amitabh Ghosh. C. The Namesake, Jhumpa Lahiri. Which of the following is a communication mail channel in India? A. Pink Channel. B. Yellow Channel. C. Red Channel. D. Green Channel. D. Green Channel. Under the umbrella of Ujjwal Bharat Ujjwal Bhavishya Power at rate 2047, the PM inaugurated which of the following 100 megawatt solar projects in Telangana? A. Jurla Solar Power Plant. B. Renew Solar Power Plant. C. Ramgundam Floating Solar Project. D. Dharmarao Solar Power Plant. C. Ramgundam Floating Solar Project. What is the name of the geographic feature that serves as a boundary between Europe and Africa? A. Bosporus Strait. B. Strait of Gibraltar. C. Dardanelles Strait. D. Malacca Strait. B. Strait of Gibraltar. Who among the following dancers is associated with Indian classical dance form of Kathak? A. Amuri Singh. B. Pandit Birju Maharaj. C. Dr. Kanak Rale. D. Dr. Minati Mishra. B. Pandit Birju Maharaj. What is the primary purpose of microfinance institutions, MFIs, in India? A. To promote consumer spending among middle-class households. B. To offer financial services exclusively to large businesses. C. To provide small loans to low-income individuals. D. To facilitate foreign investment in the Indian economy. C. To provide small loans to low-income individuals. Which of the following is true about transfer payments in relation to personal income? A. Transfer payments are included in personal income. B. Transfer payments have no impact on personal income. C. Transfer payments are included in personal income only for businesses. D. Transfer payments are excluded from personal income. A. Transfer payments are included in personal income. Who among the following reformers initially set up a school for girls in Calcutta? A. Narayana Guru. B. Mahatma Phule. C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. D. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Bharhut Stupa is located in which of the following states? A. Punjab. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Bihar. B. Madhya Pradesh. The most famous of all Jain festivals, Mahamastakabhisheka, is performed every 12 years at the Digambara Sacred Complex in Karnataka. A. Kilkulkudi. B. Jinnatpura. C. Shravanbelgola. D. Puliyarmala. C. Shravanbelgola. Which religion has the maximum number of followers in Bhutan? A. Hindu. B. Islam. C. Buddhism. D. Christian. C. Buddhism. The Madhopur fair is held at A. Bhatinda. B. Moradabad. C. Porbandar. D. Jaisalmer. C. Porbandar. The former captain of the Indian women's hockey team was conferred with the BBC Lifetime Achievement Award for her contribution to Indian sports and inspiring generations of players. A. Rani Rampal. B. Vandana Kataria. C. Savita Punia. D. Preetam Sewaj. D. Preetam Sewaj. Who among the following is a Bharatanatyam and Kathakali dancer? A. Padma Subramaniam. B. Sonal Mansingh. C. Shobna Narayan. D. Mrinalini Sarabhai. D. Mrinalini Sarabhai. Which article of the Constitution of India guarantees the right to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of the fundamental rights? A. Article 21. B. Article 32. C. Article 25. D. Article 29. B. Article 32.